Bharti.
Hello, namaste, good morning, adab. Your favorite Pratyush is back with a new episode of the series Cook Show with Pratyush. This time we have a very special guest with us, Chef Dia. Chef Dia is going to prepare a special salad of millets as she brought this recipe from her nanny's secret to Tara. Let's start.
Hello everyone, your chef Dia is back in our town. Today we are gonna make a healthy millet salad. First we need is peanut paste, some pepper, some salt to taste, mix it well, put it aside. Now we take another bowl, some jahar, some kudu, some foxtail millet, some yellow bell pepper, some red bell peppers, some green bell peppers, cucumber, some red cabbage. Toss it well. Now plating time.
Jowar contains a good amount of fiber, protein, iron, and being gluten-free, it is good for diabetic people too. Foxtail millet is good for skin, hair, and also for heart, as it is rich in vitamin B12. Kodu millet high iron level help in anemia.
Do try it at home.
Thank you.